Attention people, in this day and age, establishing a strong online presence is essential for businesses and individuals too. As we all know, Threads is officially the fastest growing social media platform ever, and SociSmart is your ticket to establish, master, and monetize this app and beyond. Don't miss out on this time and space limited special offer. Secure your spot today and embark on a journey to social media marketing success with SociSmart. This is your chance to discover social media in a whole new way and turn your certificate into cash. Introducing SociSmart, the world's first so-called Twitter killer refuses to die quietly, birthing a step-by-step 5-day certification program changing social media marketing as we know it. So the big question is it really worth your money? And I will give you my honest opinion. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so that you don't end up wasting your money. Want to know the details? Let's dive into SociSmart review. But first, if you are new to my channel, my name is Abhay. I'm a digital marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming softwares and courses. All the details of OTOs, upsells and discount are present in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here are some easy to use features of SociSmart. Membership dashboard access. As a SociSmart member, you will receive exclusive benefits through a membership dashboard. This dashboard acts as your central hub for all the resources and tools you need to success in social media marketing journey. Expert only resources. Gain access to expert only resources that are specifically designed to enhance your social media marketing skills. These resources are meant to provide you with insider knowledge that will give you a competitive edge. 5-day challenge videos and PDFs. This program includes engaging videos and PDFs that guide you through a 5-day challenge. These resources are designed to further enhance your learning experience and provide you with practical tips and strategies. Replays and cheat sheets. In case you miss any session or need a quick refresher, replays and cheat sheets are available to ensure you stay on the top of the content and master the concept taught in the program. Last but not the least, certification and unlimited access. After completion of this program, you will receive a certificate as a proof of your expertise. This certificate unlock unlimited access to all the program's resources, ensuring that you can continue to learn and grow your skills. With SociSmart, you can take your social media marketing strategy to the next level. The program equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to tap into the untapped potential of Threads. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced marketer, SociSmart provides you with actionable insights and strategies that can help you grow your online presence and drive traffic to your business. But the more interesting part is, if you make the decision to purchase this game-changing product through my link in the description, you will not only gain access to SociSmart but also receive additional exclusive bonuses of worth $2,000 from my side at a very low one-time price of $16.49. And yes, this is my bonus page. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with SociSmart while enjoying my incredible bonuses. Unleash the power of SociSmart. Brace yourself for a mind-blowing revolution that will transform your business forever. Check out the link in the description for SociSmart and exclusive bonuses of worth $2,000.